Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, The Creative Corner. Friends, in today's video, I will show you how you can create AI videos completely for free. If you want to make videos but don't want to show your face and you don't even want to speak in them, then this method is perfect for you. You can easily create video for TikTok, Instagram, YouTube or any platform for free. You will find the link to this website below the video. So, the platform I'm going to share with you today is called Vidnoz. When you click on the link, a page like this will open. First, you need to create an account by clicking on the sign up button. You will see options like Google, Microsoft, LinkedIn. I will sign up using my Google account. Click here and select your account. Once your account is created, you will see an interface like this. On the left side, you will find options like account, library, settings, and so on. Now let's move on to creating the video. Click on the Create Video option. After loading, an interface like this will appear. At the top, you will see different options like text, background, AI image, and so on. At the bottom, you can select the language and on the left side, you will find different image categories. Choose whichever image you like. I will select this one. Now below, you will find the speech text option. Here, you can type your script. Next to it, you can choose a voice, either male or female, and also choose the language. First, we need to write the script. To write the script, we will use an AI website called ChatGPT. For example, I write 10 beautiful quotes in English and it's instantly generated 10 quotes for me. Now I will copy that and paste it here in the text box. Then click generate and your video will be created. You can even download it. Now I will play it. This script we entered is being spoken out loud and you can also see the subtitles below. So you can see it's created the video very nicely and it looks very realistic. You can also select a different image and play the same script on it. The video will be generated with that image too. This is an amazing software that lets you create AI videos very easily. It's truly a powerful platform and you should definitely give it a try. There are more features as well like video translation in over 140 languages. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you liked it, don't forget to share, like and subscribe. I will see you in the other video.